Welcome to ITDIY. Today I am going to show you how to mirror your mobile screen with your PC, and for that the prerequisite is to have Android 11 plus on your phone and Microsoft Windows on your PC. Okay, let's move. To mirror the screen, we need to download and install a software. For that, click on any browser. In search bar, write scrcpy. Open the first link. Scroll down. In Get the App section, click on Windows. If you have Linux operating system, you have to click on Linux. Mac OS, then you have to click on Mac OS. I have Windows operating system, I will click on Windows. If you have 32-bit, then you would click on this link, and I have 64-bit system, I will click on this link. Click on the start. It would take a while to download the file. The file has been downloaded. Let's open the folder. It's a zip file. Right click on it and extract it. As you can see, it has been extracted and the folder with this name has been generated. Now go to your mobile and connect the mobile with the PC with USB-C type cable. Go to the mobile setting, write down developer options. First you have to enable this option, use developer options. Once you are in developer mode, scroll down and click on this option, USB debugging, debug mode when USB is connected. As my display is already connected with the laptop and I have already enabled it, please click on this. Once you are done, close the setting. Now follow my instructions on the laptop. As I have extracted the file which I have downloaded, here is the extracted folder. Double click on the folder. The folder will open, and find the file with name open a terminal here. Right click on it. Click on show more options. Double click on open a terminal option. It would take us in CMD. Write down here scrcpy. Finally, our mobile has been connected with the laptop and we can see the screen of mobile on laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video.